Hello students, how are you all? Good afternoon Itanagar, how are you? So how many students are there Itanagar? Okay, only one student is there. Okay, so let us start with the practicing questions of the mathematics. So what we will do? We will do the question one by one. I will give you the question and then you have to solve it. If you are not getting the solution, then do let me know. Okay. So let us start the first question from the area related to circles. Suppose if this is the question. Like let's say this is the diagram given and the length of AB that is equal to 36 and M is midpoint of AB. These two things are given. So, and these semicircles are drawn on the AB and this is the circle over here with center C. So, we have to find the area of this shaded region. These circles are not intersecting over here. This is a semicircle like this and this is the circle which is touching both the circle like this, and C is exactly above M. So try this. We have to find the area for this shaded region. So this shaded. So these two are the semicircles on the line segment AB. M is the midpoint of AB and C is the circle. So basically you know that when you have to find the area of the shaded region from the larger semicircle with diameter AB, you have to subtract the area of these two smaller semicircle and the area of the circle with center C. But the thing is that over here, the area of this circle, to find the area of the circle, you should know what is the radius of the circle, which is not given over here. So you have to work upon that. First of all, try to figure out how you can find the radius of that circle. If you got the radius of that circle C, then everything is easy. You just have to subtract the areas of the circle. Do it. And if you are not getting the idea, just let me know. Okay. See, so the main point over here is that AB is 36, M is the midpoint. So if M is the midpoint, then you can say that this length AM, that is of 18, and this is only all of 18. So basically the diameter for that smaller semicircle is 18 and this radius is 9 and this will be also 9. Now since it is also given that C lies exactly above M, suppose let's say radius of circle C is R. Suppose that radius is R. So this point if I join this center to this center and this M to B, and let's say this is D and this is M. So in triangle CDM, the triangle CDM which we are getting, what I have done, I have joined the center of that circle C with the center of this smaller semicircle and that M also. So CMD is right triangle and angle M over here is 90 degree. Now the length of CD, this CD is made up of the sum of the radius of both the circle. So for that one radius is R, for this one radius is 9. So it is 9 plus R, right? Similarly the MD, the base of that triangle is equal to the radius of that smaller semicircle which is again 9, and the CM. Now how we can get the length of CM? You know that the radius of the larger semicircle is 18. This MB is 18. So if we go on the top, the MP would also be 18. So CM is nothing but MP minus PC, and MP, that is the complete radius of that larger semicircle which is 18, minus PC is the radius of that smaller circle which is R. So tell me, are you getting up to here how I have written the values of CD, MD and CM? Itanagar, are you getting till now? Like how I have written the values of CD, MD and CM? Okay, very good. Now since it is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to get the value for R. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is CD square, is equal to CM square plus MD square. So CD square is 9 plus R whole square, that is equal to CM. CM is 18 minus R whole square plus MD square. MD is 9 square. So now you can open this by A plus B whole square identity. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 18 square is 324, A square plus B square minus 2AB plus 81. So this 81 and 81 will get cancelled out. Similarly, this R square and R square will get cancelled out. So we are left with only with, when we take this 36R on the left hand side, so 36 plus 18, 54R is equal to 324, or R is equal to 6. So radius for that smaller circle is 6 centimeter. Now this was the main thing, how to calculate the radius R. Now you can simply apply the subtraction of areas concept. Like area of shaded area, that is equal to area of larger semicircle minus area of two semicircle plus area of small circle. This is the thing which we will apply. From the larger semicircle, we will subtract the sum of the area of two small semicircle and that circle C. So for the larger semicircle, we know the radius is 18. So pi by 2, 18 square minus. For the two semicircles, the radius is 9. So pi by 2, 9 square plus pi by 2, 9 square plus that circle with radius r, that is a complete circle. So pi into 6 square. Always remember, whenever you are doing the questions in the exam, like this type of question in which we are getting pi, so always substitute the value of pi in the end. First of all, simplify the expression as much as you can, then put the value of pi. It will be easy for you to calculate then. So it will be pi by 2 9 square plus pi by 2 9 square is pi into 9 square, which is 81, plus pi into 6 square, which is 36. So this will be, when we divide this 324, that is 162, 36 plus 81, 117 pi. So 162 minus 117, so it is 45 pi. So if you now want to substitute the value of pi, you can substitute as 22 by 7 if nothing is mentioned. Or if the question says that give your answer in terms of pi, then you can leave up to here. So 45 pi centimeter square, that is the area of the shaded region. Is this clear? Itanagar, is this clear, the question? Any difficulty, any doubt in this one? Okay. Okay, then that's great. Now try this question number. Now try question number 2 from the arithmetic progression. In an AP, if 12th term is minus 13 and sum of its first 4 terms is 24, find the sum of first 10 terms. Okay, 0 you are getting. So let us solve. 12th term is minus 13. So you can say a plus 11d. Sum of its first four terms. First four term means a plus a plus d, a plus 2d, and a plus 3d. These are the first four terms. So if we add all of them, so this will become 4a plus 6d is equal to 24, or 2a plus 3d is equal to 12. So these are the two equations. So from this one we have to find the value of a and d, and then we will solve the sum of first 10 terms. So you can say a is equal to minus 13 minus 11. From here you can say a is equal to minus 13 minus 11d. So if we put it in this one, minus 13 minus 11, it should be like this. Minus 13 minus 11d plus 3d is equal to 12. So it is minus 26. So it is minus 19d and is equal to 38. So d is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2, therefore a would be equal to minus 13 plus 22. So a would be equal to 9. Now the sum of the first 10 terms. So sum of the first 10 terms is n by 2, which is 10 by 2, 2 times of a plus n minus 1 into d. So 5 into 18 minus 18, that would be 0. So that is correct, perfect answer. So in this way we can calculate the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Now try this next question. So this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle at A. And this is basically a quadrant. A right angle triangle, a quadrant is also a right angle triangle. So you can say quadrant of circle of radius 14 and a semicircle with BC as diameter that is drawn. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. This is the quadrant of the circle, and if since it is a quadrant, 1/4 of a circle, so this is 90 degree. Okay, 21 you are getting. Any other answer? Any other student? Okay, 98. Okay, so let us discuss. So since we have to find the area for the shaded region, so what we can do, first we can find this area of, since this is 14 and this is also 14. So this is, since ABC is a right angle triangle, so we can say BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, 14 square plus 14 square, or BC is equal to square root of 2 times of 14 square, which is 14 root 2. So this length is 14 root 2, or you can say the diameter of the semicircle is 14 root 2. Now, to get the area of shaded region, what we have to do, we have to find the area of this triangle ABC. So we can do this thing, shaded region area is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle with BC as diameter. So if we add these two, area of triangle ABC and then area of the semicircle BC as diameter, we are adding all that entire area. Now from this summation of these, if we subtract area of quadrant ABC, then we will be left with the area of shaded region. So area of triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, which is half into base into height, plus area of semicircle BC is diameter. If diameter is BC, then radius would be half of this one. So pi by 2 r square. So radius would be 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. So pi by 4. Radius is 14. So 14 square. So now first we will simplify that thing, then we will see which thing can be taken out as common. So this will become 2 will cancel out this 14 7 times, so 98 plus this 2 will cancel out this root 2 and root 2, so it is 49 pi basically, minus, and this is also 49 pi, because 14 square is 196 and 196 divided by 4 is 49 pi. So 49 pi and 49 pi will get cancelled out. So we will be left with only 98 centimeter square. Is this clear written again now to all of you? Okay, that's great. So what was the mistake you were doing earlier? How you were getting 921 as the answer? Okay. Take care of this thing from the next time. Now try this question based on the quadratic equation. find the value for x. 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. So you're getting minus a and minus b by 2. So let us solve. So first you can take this one as 1 upon 2x can be taken on the left hand side. So this will become, because we are taking the x on the left hand side, and right hand side will be left with these two, and if we take the LCM, this will be 2ab and b plus 2a, and this will, if we take the LCM over here, this will be 2x minus of this thing, so minus 2a minus b minus 2x, and 2x multiplied by all these values, so 2a plus b over 2ab. Now in the numerator, this 2x and 2x will get cancelled out. If we take the minus as common, so we will be left with 2a plus b over, and multiplying this, so 4ax plus 2bx plus 4x square, that is equal to 2a plus b over 2ab. So 2a plus b will get cancelled out. If you do the cross multiplication, then this 2ab and this minus 1 will become minus 2ab. So 4ax plus 2bx plus 4x square is equal to minus 2ab, and we can write it like this now: 4x square plus 4ax plus 2bx plus 2ab equal to 0. This minus 2ab is taken on the left hand side. So now we can factorize this one. So out of the first two, we can take 4x as common. So it will be left with 4 plus a, x plus a. And from here we can take 2b as common. So it will be left with x plus a. So 4x plus 2b into a plus x. So from here you can say a is equal to, x would be equal to minus a. Or x would be equal to minus 2b by 4, or which is equal to minus b by 2. These are the two answers. Any difficulty, rest of the students? Okay then. So now try this question. If P divides the line segment joining the points A and B such that AP is to AB, that is 3 by 7, find coordinates of P. So if P point divides the line segment joining these 2 points and says that AP is to AB, that is 3 is to 7, then find the coordinates of P. So minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7 you are getting. So let us solve this thing now. So AP, first of all, let us find the ratio, because suppose this is A and this is B. So point P is over here. So AP is to AB is 3 is to 7. So this is 3 and this complete part is 7. So PB would be 7 minus 3, which is 4. So now you can see AP upon AB is 3 is to 7. So basically the point P is dividing in the ratio 3 is to 4. So we have to find the coordinates of point P. So this is minus 2 comma minus 2 and B is 2 comma minus 4. So now we know the P is given by mx2 plus nx1 over m plus n and my2 plus ny1 over m plus n. So mx2. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 over 3 plus 4, and then 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 over 3 plus 4. So that will give you minus 8 plus 6, which is 2 over 7, and this is minus 8 and minus 12, which is minus 20 over 7. So 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. So minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. These are the coordinates for the point P. Okay. Now try this question. Find all zeros of polynomial x power 4 plus x cube if two of the zeros are 2 and minus 2. So this is the polynomial given, x power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. Two of the zeros are 2 and minus 2. We have to find the rest of the zeros. 5 minus 6, 2 and minus 2 you are getting. Okay, so let us check. So two of the zeros are 2 and minus 2. So you know that if zeros are 2 and minus 2, then the factors are x plus 2 and x minus 2, which is x square minus 4. So we'll divide the complete polynomial by x square minus 4. So it will be x square minus 4x square. So it will be over here. This would be x cube. This will get cancel out, and 34 minus 34 plus 4 minus 30x square minus 4x plus 120. Then it would be plus x. So x cube and then minus 4x. So this will get cancelled out, and minus 30x square plus 120. So it would be minus 30. So minus 30x square plus 120. So this will also get cancelled out. So we are left with only x square plus x minus 30. So now since the remainder is 0, so this is also the factor. So x square plus x minus 30. So x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. So we can factorize this one as x plus 6 minus 5 into x plus 6. So x plus 6 into x minus 5. So it means the remaining zeros are, you can say, minus 6 and plus 5. So two of the zeros are 2 and minus 2, and then 5 and minus 6. These are the other zeros. So I hope this is clear so far. So we have done so many different types of questions. Okay, so we'll take a break now, and after the break, we'll continue with some more questions. Okay, welcome back students. So now let's continue. So now the next question. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. The right angle triangle ABD and this AC is perpendicular. You have to prove that AB square is equal to BC into BD. Try this. ABD is a right angle triangle at A, and AC is perpendicular to BD. We have to prove this. And when you are done with the proof, just let me know. Done? Okay. So basically, I hope you have done it with the help of similar triangle. So since we have to do the AB square, so AB is over here, BC and BD. So from this one, which we have to prove, we know that we have to take the triangle in triangle ABC, the smaller triangle, because AB and BC are used, and BD is the side of the larger triangle, so you can say triangle ADB. So we have to prove that these two triangles as similar. So in both the triangle we can say angle B is equal to angle B, which is common to both of them, this angle. And in triangle ABC you can say angle ACB, which is 90 degree also, that is equal to angle DAB, which is also equal to 90 degree. So therefore by angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. So if we name this triangle as triangle ABC, then we have to think while naming the other triangle. Since we have written A first, so A and B we have written second, so in middle it should be B. C indicates the 90 degree, so here A indicates the 90 degree. So D would be in the starting. So DBA. So if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of sides are equal. Therefore, AB over DB, that is equal to BC over BA, that is equal to AC over DA. So now from this one, from these two, if we cross multiply these two, what we will get? AB square is equal to BC into BD. That is the proof which we have to do. Now the next question. It says angle of elevation of a plane changes from 60 degree to 30 degree in 30 seconds. Plane is flying at constant height of 3600 root 3 meter. Find speed of plane in kilometer per hour. So the plane is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3 meter, and angle of elevation changes from 60 to 30 in 30 seconds. So you have to find the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. Okay, you are getting 864 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let us solve this one. So the diagram goes like this. So earlier the plane was at angle of inclination of 60 degree, like this was 60 degree, then after some time it changes to 30 degree, like this. So this angle become 30 degree, and the duration for this change in the angle of elevation was of only 30 seconds. So 30 seconds from here to here. So basically initially the plane was at A, then it moves to point B in 30 seconds, and due to that angle of inclination changes from 60 to 30 degree. The plane is flying at a height of 3600 root 3, a constant height. Earlier also, so we can name this one as A, B, C, D, E. Now since we have to find the speed, speed is given by distance upon time. Now distance upon time, so distance time is given, like from A to B time is 30 seconds. So if we can get the distance from A to B, then we can easily figure out the speed. So distance from A to B. So first of all, we will say in triangle BEC, tangent of 30 degree is BC over EC. So BC is tangent of 30 degree is 1 by root 3, and length of BC is 3600 root 3 over EC. So from here we can say EC is equal to 3600 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 36 into 3 is 108. So that is the 10800 meter EC. Now similarly, if we check for triangle AED, so in this one, tangent of 60 degrees perpendicular upon base, again AD. So AD is again the height of the plane, which is 3600 root 3 divided by ED. So tangent of 60 is root 3. So from here you can say ED is equal to 3600 meter. So now both the things we got. Now since we have to find the length of AB, AB or CD both are the same thing. So you can say AB, which is also equal to CD, this can be written as EC minus ED. So 10800 minus 3600, which is equal to 7200 meter. So the length of AB is 7200 meter. Now distance is 7200 in 30 seconds. So now we have to calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. So speed is distance upon time. So 7200 upon 30 seconds. Since it is in meter per second, we want to convert it into kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. So we will write it like this: 1 kilometer and 1000 meter, both are the same thing. And the second to hour we have to convert. 1 hour, that is equal to 3600 seconds. So now this thing will get cancelled out, meter and meter, seconds and seconds. So we can cancel out these zeros, 2 zeros. So 3 12 times. So 72 into 12, that would be the final answer. So that would be equal to 720 plus 144, which is 864 kilometer per hour. So that is the speed of the plane. Is it clear to all of you? Any difficulty? Okay. Now, for the next class, I want to ask you, is there any specific topic you want to study for the next class, or you want to do the mixed questions? Like, is there any topic in which you are feeling difficulty, or you want a special class on the topic? Any specific topic you want to study for the next class, or just the revision of the mixed topics? Okay, the random questions. Okay, okay. Okay, revision of the random questions. Okay, I got it, got it. Okay, then we will continue with the revision of some different topics also in the next class. So that's all for today. Then we'll meet in the next class. Okay then, bye.